Welcome. My name is Tess Boyle and I'm your unit assessor. I'm really looking forward to working with you in this session and in this very exciting unit. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you've downloaded a copy of the Unit Information Guide, as it contains important information about the unit content and delivery. You should also locate and download a copy of the suggested study schedule. As the name implies, this is merely a suggestion of the way you could engage with the unit materials. However, you are free to work through the topics at your own pace. The tutorials follow this weekly sequence. The unit is divided into two modules. Module 1 presents an overview of some, though certainly not all, of the theories informing play and pedagogies. The first 5 topics take you on a journey through time and provide a very brief overview of some of the influential theorists, noting particularly how their ideas relate to play, pedagogy, and constructions of childhood. Module 2 presents 5 practice-related topics and again are designed to challenge and/or confirm your thoughts about play-based pedagogies in early childhood and the early years. Each module is broken down into 5 topics as shown on the study schedule. It's expected that you will complete 1 topic per week or have the topic completed by the designated tutorial week. The study guide sets out each topic presenting a logical and structured way through the learning resources. First, you'll engage in some background reading to ensure you have a shared understanding of the baseline knowledge of the topic and how it's been designed and built upon these readings. You'll see the readings associated with each topic are listed in the study schedule within each of the topic folders and in each of the topic folders. So if you want to get a head start in the unit, go to My Readings and start engaging with the background readings for each assigned topic. You'll see that the readings apply to 2 unit codes, and that's not uncommon to share unit resources on similar topics across different programs. Each topic will have 1, 2, and sometimes 3 short recorded lecture presentations. Again, it's important that you watch these so that you can access the background research I've done on your behalf around each of these topics. The questions in the Reflecting on Your Learning section are designed to prompt you to think critically about and challenge your assumptions and beliefs about the key ideas presented in the topic. Please be sure to think about these prior to engaging in the tutorial. Taking notes around and in response to these questions may also provide a valuable summary of the topic to refer back to when completing your assessment tasks. You'll find that in this unit we'll only scratch the surface of the content and complexities associated with each topic. I hope you take the opportunity afforded through this unit to investigate further the elements of the topic that pique your interest. The library guides and additional resources will help you do that. In Module 2, you'll also find some short videos presented by educators and academics. The aim in including these is to give you greater depth and breadth of thinking around the key ideas within the topic and to provide you for an opportunity to sound check the relevance of the unit content within the profession. The tutorials are designed to help you to reflect on your learning, so bring your responses to those questions along and any others you might have regarding the topic under investigation. As aspiring educators, the tutorials also provide a forum for you to engage in professional conversations. If you cannot attend the tutorial either online or on campus, you can access and listen to the recording. Please check the study schedule for detailed information about the weeks that the tutes are delivered. The assessment tasks in the unit provide an opportunity for you to demonstrate your learning against the unit aims, objectives, and provide evidence that you've addressed the specific accreditation requirements covered in this unit. Task 1 assesses your understanding of the topics covered in Module 1 and is designed to provide formative feedback on your reflective writing skills. The marking rubric will help you construct your essay and use the feedback that provided in Task 1 to inform the completion of Task 2. Task 2 is the same reflective essay and it covers the topics in Module 2. You should be able to build and further develop your reflective writing skills in this task. Please note the time and the due date and time, and be mindful of the current SCU assessment policy regarding late assignment submissions and the application for extensions. Finally, I want to extend my very best wishes to you all for your studies in this session. Please do not hesitate to contact me by email or by telephone if you have any questions or concerns throughout the session.